As you look out at the world today, you may be confronted with the idea that the world has gone mad. You look around you, and all that you see are fools, liars, charlatans, salesmen, and cowards. You try to look beyond it all, but the very horizon itself has become hostile, a lie that also seems to be trying to sell you something. The gods themselves are beginning to be perceived as untrustworthy tricksters with hidden malicious agendas. The whole world is cloaked in dark sorcery. In desperation, you seek to find others that know the things that you do, but you find that they too have become victims to the lie as they join the ranks of the enemy and follow the lead of their agents of chaos. As the lie grows larger and larger, you feel yourself becoming part of an ever-shrinking minority, a tiny group who possesses the real truth of things. You might be descending into misery, but at least you have the truth. At least you are not a fool like the rest of them. Eventually, you begin to believe that you might be the last person in the entire world that has not lost their mind and submitted to the lie. You are different. You will not give in to this sorcery. Shivering with fear and disillusion, you clutch this truth close to your chest, much like the golem with his ring, as you slowly rot from the inside. Now, what has happened here? It might be easy to think of yourself as wise, that your wisdom has reached such a level that you have left your fellow man behind. Your wisdom has enabled you to somehow avoid all the pitfalls that those around you have so foolishly fallen into. And of course, it is merely a necessary cost of obtaining this wisdom that you are a miserable, nervous wreck. It might be easy to think of these things, but that does not make them so. You have in fact been led off the path. You have been led astray. You have fallen into the false belief that you can solve abstract problems that are beyond your control. You have fallen into the false belief that wisdom is shown in what a man believes and what he knows to be true, rather than in what he does and in the quality of his character. You have placed knowledge on the throne and kicked wisdom into the gutter. Again, you have been led off the path into the world of illusions, abstractions, and the dreaded maybes. Get back to the material to shatter this illusion. Leave the intellectual and spiritual worlds alone. For those who still have questions, let wisdom speak. What good are you doing? How much love are you distributing? What skills are you acquiring? What problems are you solving? How many people are you teaching? How much progress are you making? How much wealth are you creating? How much discipline are you cultivating? How much are you improving the world? How much enjoyment are you bringing? How much life are you living? How many gifts are you giving? Ask yourself these questions, and we will see how wise you really are.